Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial, and today I'll show you what is that detailing in the families in Revit. So how you can use the level of detail and why you should use it in each your family. So the first one I will show you what is that. Let's say you have the door. As you can see now, I'm using the level detail fine, and we can see even our hand and for example the opening of our door. Everything perfect. We understand what the family is that. But if I will change my detail to the medium one, as you can see, I cannot see now frame. And if I will go even to the course, you will see I can see only the mesh block of my door. The same thing happening on the level plan. As you can see, this is now my fine and detail, and I will change to the medium. It doesn't change anything, and the course I can see only just simple lines. So why you need that, how you can create this family, I will show you in this tutorial. Let's get started. And before we will create some parameters, let's place some standard family. As you can see here, we have door internal single flush door. Let's place it up, and as you can see, this even Autodesk standard family also allows these parameters. If I will switch to the fine, you can see here is much detail than it was on the course. So how it works? Let's select this family and let's go inside of the family. Actually, it's pretty easy. You not will see any difference right now. Let's go to the our reference level. Here there are tons of the parameters, but we are not care about that. Let's change our view to the course view, and you cannot see anything because it's totally same. Actually, in family you will see all the family, all the types of the settings, as it's not hidden one. You should just use the preview mode to see what you will see in your family. I mean, in your project, once you will export it to your project. So let's on preview mode, and now you can see what you will get if we get this type of the medium or the fine. As you can see, now you can see what's going on when you will change level of details. So if I will say off, exactly you will see everything. So now let's try to find, for example, this line. As you can see here is this symbolic line, and how I understand this is line working only when we're using this detail level course. I have selected already, as you can see, and just go to the visibility settings, and you can see here detail levels, course, medium, fine. So this line you will see only when the medium or the fine it's on. So if you will change to the medium or the fine, you will see this line. If you will change to the course, you cannot see this line. It's working like this. So I think this enough theory. Let's go to the new family. We will create own one, and you will see just step by step what's going on with the lines. Okay, so let's create a new family. We will create, so I will close this family, we don't need it anymore. Let's say no, and we will create a new family. Let's say we will create the door. Why not? We want to create the door, so we will use the metric door. So if you are using the imperial system, use the imperial one. And as you can see, we don't have anything here. Let's create some. Let's say I will create something like that. So it doesn't matter about the door now. We are talking now much about the graphics. So I will do it fast, so you can follow me or no, it's only up to you. I will do it fast really, because I don't want to spend your time, and I want to show how it's work. Okay, we have the geometry. I will go now to the let's say exterior view, and I will say okay, and now I will just align my door. Okay, just close it and close it the back that side. Okay, now I will go to 3D. Let's go to 3D, and as you can see, here is the door. As you can see, if I will change to the fine, I still can see my door. If I will go to the course, I still have my door here. So let's say I'll change to the shaded one. You will see it. So how you can change it? Any graphics, any line in Revit, you can change visibility detail mode. How it's do that? Just select element, go to visibility settings, and uncheck the type of the visibility what you don't want. For example, I don't want to see this meshing door when I have medium or fine detail level. Let's say okay, and let's change my course to the medium. You cannot see nothing, but as I said, you should change your preview visibility to the on, and you will see how you will see it in your project. Once you will change to the course, you will see your door. Once you will change to the fine, you cannot see your missing door. The same thing is gonna happen, for example, if we will go to the reference level. Let's go to the reference level. I will use now lines, and I will draw some lines. Let's say I will draw a line, and I will draw this point. Oh no, I will draw the arc. Let's draw arc, something like that. Okay, and these two lines I wanna see only when I have, for example, course level. Let's say okay, and now let's switch on our preview visibility. So as you can see, here is the course, and I can see my door opening. I will change it to the medium. I cannot see it. To the fine, I cannot see it, and to the course, I can see it. The reason why you can place on one, for example, location, few different types of detail of your door. For example, here is just a line. After that, you can draw more detailed door with some opening, with some interior things, for example, with the handles, so up to you. But you can just manipulate it with the level detail. So let's load up this family inside to the our project. Let's place it, and as you can see, here is the course now. I will change now to the medium one. I cannot see this door now. I will change to the fine now. I cannot see this door too. So this is simple way how you can control it. If you want to go more deeper, so let's make the extra tutorial right now. Now let's go back to our door, and what I'm gonna do right now, I will change my visibility to the off, and I will select these lines, and I'll just hide it, because it's will be complicated working with two lines in different level details. That's why I'm hide the lines which I don't want to use. So, and let's draw the lines again. I will draw some lines, like one lines here. Maybe I want to see my door like this, like that. I will select all these doors. I will say this is visibility graphics only for the medium one. So let's say only for the medium one. I want to draw here maybe some handle like that. So of course you can create the parameters for that, because now it's static one. It's not right. You should create some parameters for the line. It's not will be working with the parameters right now because I didn't do anything. So just be careful with that, okay? And as you can see, once I will change to the medium one, because I have here the course detail right now, it's becoming gray color. So it means it's working everything. Okay, so I will draw now one more line with the opening. And I'll say this one, as you can see, this is black, and I will select it, and I'll say only on the medium one, and it's becoming gray. And one more thing, I will select now all the lines what I draw right now, like this, and I'll say I want to see these lines only on the plan view, not any left, right, only on the plan view. Done. So let's load it up inside to our family and overwrite it. I will change now my graphics to the medium one, to the coarse one. So let's say I'll delete it first, and I wanna load it up again. Where is my family? Here is my family, coarse it. Medium one, I cannot see it. Why I cannot see it? Let's see why. I'll go back to the reference level. I'll select this line, and I want to see it on the only plan. Okay. Oh, cut on the plan 2. So this was my mistake. Cut on the plane 2. Let's load it inside, and let's overwrite it. And now we can see our door. Once I will change the type of graphics to the course, I will see simple one, medium one, and define I cannot see anything. You can do this is only not only with the elements like lines, you can do it with the meshing. Any elements in Revit you can manipulate by detail level. So just use it, make your graphics more workable, and you will become happy with your result. Thank you and see you next time.